Welcome, my littles. Welcome to the word of translation. Today is a turn for past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense, affirmative. Affirmative is also called assertive or positive. You have already studied present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous. Now this is the turn for past indefinite tense. Identification. Sentence in Hindi ends with tatha, tithi, tathe, tithe, tethe, etc. वह जाती थी, वह जाता था, वे खाते थे, हम पीते थे. These are the examples for past indefinite tense affirmative. वह जाती थी, वह जाता था, वे खाते थे, हम पीते थे. Now the translation. वह जाती थी. She went. We use the second form of go. Rule number 1. We use second form of the verb. She went. वह खेलता था. He played. Play. Played. वे खाते थे. They ate. Ate. Eat. Ate. Eaten. We use the second form. हम पीते थे. We drank. Drink. Drank. Drunk. Now this is the rule number 1. We use second form of the verb. Rule number 1. We use second form of the verb. As we have already seen above, we use second form of the verb and we don't use helping verb was or were. We don't helping verb was or were. We use second form of the verb and we don't use helping verb was or were. Now I am going to dictate you some sentences in Hindi. Please write down in your notebook. Sentence number 1. वह जाती थी. Please write. Serial number 1 to 16. वह जाती थी. Serial number 1. वह जाती थी. Sentence number 2. वह जाता था. वह जाता था. Sentence number 3. वे खाते थे. वे खाते थे. Sentence number 4. Sentence number 4. हम पीते थे. हम पीते थे. पै के ऊपर बड़ी की मात्रा है. प्लीज राइट इट केयरफुली. सेंटेंस नंबर 5. लड़के खेलते थे. लड़के खेलते थे. सेंटेंस नंबर 6. लड़का खेलता था. लड़का खेलता था. लड़का खेलता था. सेंटेंस नंबर 7. लड़कियां 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 क्या के ऊपर छोटी की मात्रा है. लड़कियां पढ़ती. त्या के ऊपर बड़ी की मात्रा है. थी. लड़कियां पढ़ती थी. लड़कियां पढ़ती थी. 8 नंबर. लड़की पढ़ती थी. लड़की के ऊपर बड़ी की मात्रा. त्या के ऊपर बड़ी की मात्रा. लड़की पढ़ती थी. सेंटेंस नंबर 9. राम दौड़ता था. राम दौड़ता था. राम दौड़ता था. सेंटेंस नंबर 10. हम पढ़ते थे. सेंटेंस नंबर 10. हम पढ़ते थे. हम पढ़ते थे. सेंटेंस नंबर 11. मैं पढ़ता था. मैं पढ़ता था. मैं पढ़ता था. सेंटेंस नंबर 12. तुम पढ़ते थे. तुम त्या के ऊपर छोटे की मात्रा है. त्या के ऊपर छोटे की मात्रा है. तुम पढ़ते थे. आप खेलते थे. Sentence number 13. आप खेलते थे. आप खेलते थे. Sentence number 14. राधा गाती थी. राधा गाती थी. राधा गाती थी. Sentence number 15. वे तैरते थे. वे तैरते थे. 16. श्याम सोता था. श्याम सोता था. श्याम सोता था. Now I am going to translate all 16 sentences into English. Sentence number 1. Please write in front of that sentence. वह जाती थी. In front of it you please write she went. She went. Go, went, gone. Here we use second form of go. She went. She went. Sentence number 2. वह जाता था. He went. Go, went, gone. We here again use went. We don't use go, we don't use gone, we use went. And we don't use helping verb was or were. Was means tha, were means the. We don't use those helping verbs. We just simply subject he and second form of the verb. He went. Three. वे खाते थे. वे THEY they means वे खाते थे. ATE. They ate. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. They ate. They ate. Sentence number 4. हम पीते थे. We drank. Drink, drank, drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. We use second form of the verb DRANK, drank. We drank. We drank. हम पीते थे. Sentence number 4. We drank. DRANK, drank. Drink, drank, drunk. Now sentence number 5. लड़के खेलते थे. लड़के खेलते थे. The boys played. The boys played. Play, played, played. Play, played, played. Play, play. Played, played. Played, played. If you want to learn the first and second form of the verb, just go like it. Play, played, played. Play, played, played. Play, played, played. Play, played, played. At least you have to revise it 5 times. The boys played. Sentence number 6. लड़का खेलता था. The boy played. लड़का boy, boy. The boy played. The boy played. Play, played, played. Play, played, played. Play, played, played. Played, played. The boy played. लड़का खेलता था. The boy played. Sentence number 7. लड़कियां पढ़ती थी. लड़कियां पढ़ती थी. The girls read. Read, read, read. Read, read, read. RED read. RED read. RED read. The spelling is same. Read, read, read. Read, read, read. Read, read, read. Read, read, read. The girls read. The girls read. The girls read. The girls read. Next sentence number 8. लड़की पढ़ती थी. लड़की पढ़ती थी. The girl read. The girl read. The is article. Girl is subject. And read. Read, read, read. Second form of read, read. Read. It is verb. The girl read. लड़की पढ़ती थी. The girl read. पढ़ती थी. The girl read. राम दौड़ता था, राम दौड़ता था। राम रेन, रन रेन रन, रन रेन, run rain run, run rain run. First form is run, second form is rn rain, and run run rain run, run rain run. Ram rain, second form rn. हम पढ़ते थे, सेंटेंस नंबर 10, हम पढ़ते थे, we read. हम पढ़ते थे, we read, read. We read, हम, we, हम मीन्स वी पढ़ते थे, रेड, read, read, the spelling of all the three forms same. Yes, read, read. मैं पढ़ता था, अगेन मैं पढ़ता था, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ read, read. I read. I read. मैं पढ़ता था, I read. मैं पढ़ता था, I read. नेक्स्ट इज 12. तुम पढ़ते थे, you read. YOUU, you means तुम पढ़ते थे, read, RED read, RED read, RED read, RED read, read, read. See, the spelling of all the three forms, spellings are equal. Read, read, RED, RED, read, read, read. Learn it in this manner, read, read. Next number 13. आप खेलते थे या तुम खेलते थे, you played, 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 you played. आप खेलते थे, तुम खेलते थे, you played. Play, played, played, read, read, run, rain, run. 14 number. राधा गाती थी, sing, sang, sung, sing, sang, sung, sing, sang, sung, sing, sang, sung. राधा sang, राधा गाती थी, राधा sang, राधा गाती थी, राधा sang. 15 number. वे तैरते थे, swim, swam, swum, swim, swum. We have to use a second form of swim, swam. They swam. They means way. तैरते थे, swam, SWAM, swam. They swam. शाम सोता था, SHYM, शाम. Slept, SLEPT, slept. Sleep, slept. Sleep, slept. Sleep, slept. Sleep, slept. Sham slept. Sleep, slept. Okay, my littles, this session is over. Please listen this video carefully. Write in your notebook carefully. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.